If you're a CRUTOX miner, don't scroll. On the 6th April, CRUTOX made announcement that CRUTOX Wallet is live on Play Store. You can now send and receive your crypto asset through CRUTOX Wallet. Download it right now. More features will be added soon. And this morning also, they have made a post and look at what they said here. This is 3 hours ago. Big things are coming for CRUTOX community. So this is one of the things that is very interesting. If you want to read all this, the video will be long, right? So what we need to do is to read what is very interesting part. I'm saying, you can see, with TG waiting closer every day, right? The upcoming week will be extremely important for everyone supporting CRUTOX. More announcement, partnership, reward, and surprise are on the way, right? Stay tuned. The future of CRUTOX is being built now. So what are you waiting for? Why not create your CRUTOX wallet? So that is what I'm going to guide you step by step how you can create your CRUTOX wallet, right? So what you need to do is watch the video to the end, like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I made any video about CRUTOX, you'll be the first person you see. Let's get started. There are two ways to download the CRUTOX wallet. Whether you check the link in the description section of this video or go to Google Play Store straightforward and search for CRUTOX wallet. After that, you download the application right now, right? So here you tap on install. After you install the application, then you tap on open. So CRUTOX is like our normal wallet. Whether you import your existing wallet or you create a new wallet. So for the importing existing wallet is whether you have some already. So you don't have some already, so what we need to do is to tap on create new wallet, right? So here I say generating a secure seed phrase, right? So what you need to do is to tap on copy. You tap on this copy to clipboard, right? And then after that you tap on I have written down, right? Then you tap on continue. Here you can see here they asking what is the first number up to the 12th number, right? So here you enter all it here. So here you tap on verify, right? So here enter your pin, right, which is your first pin, second pin, right? After that you confirm it here, right? Create an account, right? So here you create this pin for the wallet, right, for security purpose. So after that, tap on create wallet. Wallet created. Your wallet is ready to use. You will now see your address. Tap on OK. So guys, this is very simple, right? This is how we create our CRUTOX wallet, right? How the CRUTOX listing is around the corner, right? Make sure you create yours after you watch this video, right? So guys, this video was helpful. Consider like the video, subscribe, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload any update about CRUTOX, you'll be the first person you see. And if you are not in a certain community that you are not really making money, then there's a link in the description of this video, right? And join our community on Telegram and WhatsApp chat group. We have also created a new group to share your airdrops you are mining, any opportunity you have about this, any your business, and you can share your referral there. Then someone also join so that we can also benefit together. So check the link in the description section of this video, right? You can find all the link there, right? And join us. So guys, that's how it is. So the earlier you join, the higher chance of anyone. I see you in the next one.